Are you an athlete, a cricketer, or just someone who loves to stay active on the field? But injuries can stop you on the tracks. But don't worry, I'm Dr. Shahulayan. I'm a physiotherapist and I'm going to tell you 5 most common injuries on the ground and how you can prevent them so that you can stay active on the field. And that's how, boom, one wrong step and you're limping for weeks. Your ankle sprains occur when your ligaments overstretch or tear when they are twisted either inwards or outwards. How you can avoid your ankle from twisting is by strengthening exercises. One thing which you can do is ankle calf raises, which you can do single leg or you can do both with double leg. And then you can also do balance exercises, that is you can increase your stability of your ankle by just standing on one foot, either balancing it, and then you can change it by keeping a foam board down, and then if you can keep it in the single tandem leg, tandem walking, or like a fast bowler lands in a wrong position or a footballer cuts into it while hitting the ball and boom, you have a torn ACL and MCL. These injuries take months to heal. The key to avoiding these types of injuries is by strengthening your quads, hamstrings and your calf muscles as well as your glutes. You can do 2 exercises which will be helpful. First one will be the squats and the next one will be your lunges. Now there are variations to these exercises. You can do squats in this position, you can do close squats, you can do lunges either in static position or you can do in dynamic walking lunges. So practice these and perform these exercises in order to prevent your ACL or MCL getting torn. Ouch. Overuse, bad posture and lack of warm-ups all lead to shoulder pain. Focus on rotator cuff strengthening by doing external rotation as well as you can do internal rotations. Use the resistance band always before doing any heavy throwing and remember to always warm up. Ouch! You think tennis elbow is just for tennis players? Nope. It's even there common for cricketers, badminton players, weightlifters and even gamers as well as even IT professionals who work long hours while sitting and using the mouse and keyboard. How you can avoid this? You can stretch your arms and your wrists and your forearms daily as well as you can use a resistance band to strengthen this with this, or you can also use this for strengthening your arm. Strengthen your forearms and your arms as well as your wrist to avoid tennis elbow. Tennis elbow occurs only when there is an overuse of the existing muscle, which is this. Overuse of this muscle will cause tennis elbow. So that is the 3rd most common injury. Fast bowlers, gym enthusiasts and anyone sitting for too long, your back is at risk. Let's get up. Strengthen your core muscles as well as your hip muscles to avoid straining your back and also avoid excessive bending, and while you're sitting maybe try keeping your back straight for a while. Now that you know how to avoid these injuries by doing all these exercises, train smarter and stay injury free for whenever you're playing. Like, share and subscribe to Shahulayan Vlogs. I'm Dr. Shahulayan. I'm a physiotherapist here, and if you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe and ring the bell icon here or here somewhere, and yeah, keep watching my videos. I upload also my daily vlogs, life vlogs, so if you're interested in something like that, please check out there. It'll be a playlist here. I'll be uploading a playlist here, or it'll be in some of the other boxes, or it takes a minute to just check out the channel. So yeah,